Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So, our project was to basically create a gas mask and we'll basically have some sort of mask in a system where it could help people in areas with heavy air pollution issues,
For
such
example,
as
China.
India and places like that, so
Yeah.
that people could breathe safely. And with our research, we found that masks that were being used there, they were usually using N95 masks, but they were originally used to prevent the user's breath from escaping outside rather than protecting the users from outside particles. So it wasn't exactly that effective in tackling air pollution. So rather than just having a simple mask, we decided to use a gas mask and have a whole system with it.
Some of our initial ideas as well was including fans and like
Yeah, taking the air from the outside and then using that.
a closed or open circuit.
But we decided to then ditch that idea and then have a completely closed system. So the idea right now that we have is having a gas mask here, and then it would, after the breather would breathe out, the air would go down through a tube and have a few check valves so that it wouldn't go back up, and then it would go through a chamber of
calcium hydroxide.
yeah, calcium hydroxide. So if and there's a reaction that goes through with carbon dioxide and calcium hydroxide, which would result in there being no more carbon dioxide when it bubbles out of that solution. And after that, the air or air with almost no carbon dioxide would go up because it's lighter, and then there would be a gas canister here or a gas tank or something like that, which would contain around 120 liters of air, which is compressed. Then that would release itself, and that power that it releases itself would push the gas up and back into the person's chamber, the gas mask itself, and then it would keep on circulating. And we would also have a small exit valve here because it would explode if we continue keeping that on.
Yeah. And so with this mask, since it's closed, we can't have it like last for really long. So we're striving for at least 15 minutes of like breathable air, so that we can go through like daily activities really easy, or whether it's a situation like short minutes underwater, or whether it's like through a fire sometimes. Yeah, so it can be used in many situations.
Yeah, so it's not exactly gonna be the kind of mask you're gonna have to put on all the time, but it's gonna be, for example, from
If you're moving from like one building to another,
or having like a quick walk with your dog or something like that.